Hey there, fellow travelers. If you've just received your new Visa travel card and you're eager to hit the road or jet off on your next adventure, the first step is activating it. Don't worry. It's a quick and straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to get your card up and running safely. First things first, why activate your card? Activation is crucial because it links the card to your account, helping to prevent fraud and ensure that only you can use it. Before you start, make sure you have your card in hand, along with any details like the card number, your personal identification, and access to a phone, computer, or the Visa app. Let's dive into the main methods. Option 1. Activating via phone. This is super simple. Just call the number on the back of your card or the one provided in your activation instructions. You'll be prompted to enter your card details and maybe answer a few security questions. It's usually done in under 5 minutes. If you prefer going digital, option 2 is activating online. Head to the Visa website or your card issuer's portal. Look for the Activate Card section, enter your card number, and follow the on-screen prompts. Make sure you're on a secure network to protect your information. Another modern way is through the Visa app. Download it if you haven't already, log in with your account details, and select the activation option. The app often makes it even faster with features like facial recognition for verification. No matter which method you choose, always double-check that your activation was successful. Try making a small test transaction or check your account online to confirm. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, contact customer support right away. They're there to help. And there you have it. Your Visa travel card is now activated and ready for all your travels. Remember, always keep an eye on your transactions for security. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Safe travels, everyone.